Okay, today let us start Cauchy's integral theorem. You have two different formulas for Cauchy integral theorem. One is first order formula. First order formula is nothing but integral of f of z by z minus a dz can be given as 2 pi I into f of a. How to solve? I will be telling that thing in problems, don't worry. Then nth order formula, you have to remember nth order formula also. Nth order formula is integral of f of z by z minus a whole raised to pi n dz can be given as 1 by n minus 1 factorial into 2 pi I into d power, that is differentiation you should do. Okay, d power n minus 1 by dz power n minus 1 into f of a. Okay, that means f of a differentiation you have to do n minus 1 times. Okay, hope you are getting this. Let us solve few problems related to Cauchy's integral formula. Before that, you just remember ID card, your ID card, identity card. Okay, ID card. Why this is important, I will be telling you. Okay, in problems. Problem number 9. See problem number 9. The value of integral of 1 by 1 plus z dz, where I C is contour, z minus I by 2 is equal to 1 is. How will you find out that this is Cauchy's integral? Because by seeing this contour itself, we can tell that this is a problem related to complex numbers, and by seeing this integral you can tell that this is a problem related to Cauchy's integral theorem. Okay, so problem number 9, how you are going to solve this problem? So integral of 1 by 1 plus z square dz. First you have to convert this form into this equation into f of z by z minus a, then only you can solve. Before that, you just draw the contour what they have given. Z minus I by 2 equal to 1. What you have to do, you have to compare this with z minus x plus iy is equal to r. Okay, find x and y from this. I can write this function as z minus 0 plus, because only I have I term, 0 plus 1 by 2 into I into 1 by 2 into I is equal to 1. Now z minus I by 2, it is in the form of z minus I by 2. Now center is what? X comma y values are what? X value is 0 and y value is 1 by 2. 0 comma 1 by 2, and radius is how much? Radius is 1. Okay, then what you have to do? Draw the contour by taking center as 0 comma 1 by 2. Suppose this is center 0 comma 1 by 2. Okay, and this is 0 comma 0 line. Suppose 0 comma 0 line, this is 0 comma 0 line will be where? Suppose this is 0 comma 0 line. Okay, and this is 0 comma 1 by 2. This is 0 comma 0 center, and this is 0 1 by 2. Okay, then radius is how much? Radius is 1. So half total 1 means here this is 0 line. This is our center. This is 0 center. This is. So from here radius is 1 means up to this point it will come. That means how much? Total 1 means half is here and half is here. That means below 0 line minus half. So this will be 0 comma, this will be minus I by 2. This is I line, minus I by 2, and from here it will go up to plus 1, that is 3I by 2. Okay, now here from here 1, and from here this will be minus 1. Now this will be our circle with center 0 comma 1 by 2 and radius 1. Center 0 comma 1 by 2 and radius 1. Okay, only thing is from here how much? I by 2 minus I by 2. Why? Because here I by 2 and here plus 1. If you are getting worried, what you have to do is you just add plus 1 in order to get above value, and add minus 1 in order to get below value. Okay, now find the roots of this function. What I can write? Z square plus 1 equal to 0. Then I can write Z square is equal to minus 1. So Z square is equal to minus 1. Z is equal to root over minus 1. That means Z is equal to I comma minus I. That means Z minus I is one root. Then Z plus I is another root. Z plus I is another root. So Z is equal to I. Now check Z is equal to I. Whether I is inside the contour or outside the contour. Tell me. Z equal to I. I is, yes, I is here. So I is inside the contour. I is inside the contour. Z equal to minus I. Minus I will be here. This is I by 2 minus I by 2. This is minus I. This is outside the contour. Outside the contour. Okay. Now what you have to do? Because Z equal to minus I is outside the contour. Z equal to minus I. That means this value is outside the contour. Send this thing to the denominator, numerator. So I can write 1 by Z plus I divided by 1 Z minus I. That's it. Into dz. Now this is f of z by z minus a dz. Okay, this is converted to in that form. Why I am keeping this thing down? I was saying you that ID card inside value is always down. Inside value is which? Z equal to what? I. Z equal to I value is inside. So Z equal to minus I will be inside. Okay, Z equal to I is inside. That's why I have kept that value down. Okay. Then this value I have kept up in numerator. Okay. Then this is f of z by d, f of z by z minus a dz. This value can be written as 2 pi I f of a. 2 pi I f of I. Because a value is I. 2 pi I. Substitute in function in place of z I. Then that will be 1 by I plus I. That will be 2 pi I into 1 by 2i. 2i cancel. This will be pi. So which option? Option B is correct. Hope you are getting this thing. If you are not understanding, no need to worry. From next problem you will be understanding it very clearly.